It wasn't just the unprecedented victory of George Russell of Mercedes at the São Paulo GP this Sunday that made 2022 look like 2021 in F1. At Turn 2, Lewis Hamilton and Max Verstappen crashed on the restart of the race, a very common situation in the dispute for the past championship. And the Dutchman admitted to knowing the chance of a collision, but he had less to lose than his opponent. "I came on the outside and felt like he wouldn't give me space, so I went anyway. He didn't leave me any space, so I knew we were going to touch. It cost him the victory. For me, it was fives. It wouldn't mean anything to my race because we were so slow, but it's a shame because I thought we could run well, close to each other." Clearly that was not the intention, he declared. The contact between the duo on lap 7 of the race took place when Verstappen came around the outside of the 7-time champion in the first corner and maintained his trajectory in the next contour. Hamilton did not give in and ended up touching the side, even leaving the track after the incident. The stewards gave the 2-time champion a 5s penalty for the incident. Hamilton dropped to 9th place but managed to break through the midfield and reach 2nd place, securing Mercedes' first 1-2 of the year. What can I say? You know how things are with Maximum. I'm not worried. It's natural that when you succeed and carry numbers you become a target, but that's okay. It's nothing I've ever dealt with before, Hamilton said. In his initial assessment of the incident, after the race, the 7-time champion downplayed what happened, which he considered typical of the dispute with the rival RBR. Verstappen, in turn, had to pit and fell to last place in the race. Even with the RBR showing less pace than the two Mercedes, his race then turned into a recovery race and he crossed the finish line in 6th place, despite the position having been the subject of a public internal crisis in the Austrian team. An hour after the end of the race, Hamilton pondered his view on the incident with Verstappen and gave details about his fear of having to abandon the race, sacrificing the team's result. "I don't have much of an opinion about it, to be honest. All I could think of at the time was that I would have to retire because I felt that his rear end was not normal anymore. For me it was like I'm going to miss the team double. It was all I could think of. I went through the grass, went back to the track and just thought about how I could bring this amazing result back to the team. For me it's not about how you fall, but how you get up. I'm proud of the work we've all done. In your opinion Max is right.